Coaches, thank you very much for joining the Sports Authority of India and Volleyball Federation of India online coaches educational program. Coaches, already you are listened, you are seen, many coaches were speaking about the many topics. Yesterday you were there, you are listening the theory of the training and organization of the practice by Dr. Matthew. It was fantastic. You all seen that, and many points are there. And the PPT has been given to you. You had to go through. Please, coaches, because today I am going to take the skills. What are all skills are there? We have service, reception, set, attack, block, and defense. 6 skills are there. In that, I am going to cover 3 skills today. But this is a very important skill for, especially for India, because we are lacking on service, we are lacking on reception of service, and we have said good setters are there, but we needed more setters today, because in the international level, for playing international level, we need a well-experienced setter. How it comes? It comes because of training. Yesterday you have seen many planning and training and program has been given by Dr. Matt. Very good. How that you will prepare the team. And then today, the skills is very important, because the service is important. The reception is more than the service important. The set, yes, without set, it is not possible to get even a point. So I am going to start with the service, because I am going to give you only outline, because I am having only 1 hour. In these 3 skills, if you want to cover fully, you need 3 days. Then only we can cover. Coaches, another thing I want to tell. Sorry to say that if I want to go somewhere, I want to catch the train. The train is at 10:30. I have to be there at 10:15. Then only I can be very peacefully go and sit in the train. I can go through wherever I want to go. It is not possible that I can come at 10:35 and joining, and then I want to say that what is going on? Where is my train? It is already gone. Coaches, you all know, you are all well disciplined. You are all maintaining a very good team. I want that all the coaches should come on the line at 10:15, because I want to see the attendance minimum of 400 before 10:15, because that will be good for you for learning. So again, coming back to my topic, service. Service in volleyball became extremely important factor. Everybody knows without service, volleyball you can't start. But service is a main thing, main weapon, because you all know in that modern volleyball, only 3 skills are there for getting a point. One is service, second one is attack, third one is a block. In the 3, the main one is service. If I am doing very good service, though I may get a point, or I may get a 50% of the point, disturbing opponent. This is a factor for winning a match, similar to the thing of baseball. If I am playing baseball, my pitch is very good, I may get a point. Same like a first tennis. Tennis service, you can all know the tennis who are all playing. The first service in tennis is very important. The same way, free kick in football. If I get free kick, means I am going to get a goal. So that service is very important factor. So how that we will develop the service? What are all things needed in the service? How that we can bring a young boy into the good server? Because everybody says in India, I am seeing that everybody listening from all the coaches, sir, my service is not good. Our team service is not good. Always spoiling the service. How that you can stop that, spoiling the service? Only with the training. It's not very easy, but you can be very good when you are training. Service becomes each rally. All the rallies, it became service the first. Service you start, the rally begins. A player must hit the ball, this is a normal, hit the ball in his or her hand over the net and land inside line the court. The player may serve underarm or overarm. Popular service is jump or spike serve. The player jumps and serves the ball while in the air. Because what mean by service? Service means you have to start the service when you are underarm service, or you may be making a tennis service, or you are making a jump and floating service, or making a jump and serve. It all becomes that you are starting the volleyball match, you are starting the volleyball set, or you are starting the training. I want to go for a good training on other way, so I needed a good service. If another point is there here, यहाँ पर और भी सोचना चाहिए कि मेरे को सर्विस मेरा अच्छा है, मेरे टीम में सर्विस अच्छा है, तो ऑटोमेटिकली मेरे टीम में रिसेप्शन भी अच्छा रहेगा. क्यों? Because I am doing every day good service and they are receiving very good. So automatically my service is, then my reception will be good. For that, what I had to do, I had to more concentrate on developing service in my team, in my academy, in my children, whatever age group. The age group may be 16, maybe 18, maybe 20, maybe 22, but everywhere the service starts the game. So that we have to put more, because naturally हम क्या करेगा, service बोले तो okay, we will do in the end of the training, or we will go for relaxation, you go for training. No. The service also skill, how you are teaching technical, how you are teaching blocking, how you are teaching attack, how you are teaching combination of attack. Like that service also we had to be very, very important, and we had to give a good training to develop. Since there are many types of service, a coach should introduce and teach an appropriate service according to the player's level and the team category. सर्विस में तो बहुत कैटेगरी है, बहुत सिस्टम है, बहुत चीज है, कई सर्विस है, many service types are there. Then I can introduce what I want. मेरे पास एक मिनी टीम है, under 11 years. I cannot go for jump and service now. I have to teach them underhand service. I have to teach them only floating service, because my team level, I have to see my players level. My players, Indian senior national team, they had to go jump and floater very good. They had to go jump and speed service very good. They had to go some powerful service, high speed service. Then only we can get a point in international. So according to your appropriate service, according to your players level, your team level, and what the opponent is, we can deceive. What kind of service if I make, I will get a point in opponent. Opponents are not good in floating service, then I can go more on floating service. Opponents are very bad on reception, on jump and service, so that I can prepare my team into the jump and service. The service is two. One, अब हमारे टीम के लिए, मेरे टीम के लिए क्या क्या चाहिए मैं प्रिपेयर कर दिए है, मैं अपोनेंट टीम को देख के भी मैं सर्विस डेवलप करता हूं. अपोनेंट टीम में वेरी गुड रिसीवर है, मैं डिस्ट्रॉय करने के लिए आई मे गो फॉर सम टैक्टिकल ऑन सर्विस. दिस आर ऑल service types of service I am going to show you. This is underhand service with the floating or with the no spin. With the children will learn first underhand service, then overhand service. That's called a tennis service, driving or spinning, whatever you want. It is called a tennis service. We teach the tennis service in 16 years. When it comes to 16 years, we teach them tennis service. And then roundhouse service. ये आप सुना होगा कई साल पहले, the roundhouse service. We used to say round arm service. It has been done. Many people are done. I have seen in 1964 national in Hyderabad. One it's Anthony from services. He has done wonderful service of the round arm service, and he got the many points in the finals. Because I have seen the final 1964 national where that services was doing very good. Top players were playing. I have seen the round arm service. Nowadays the round arm service is coming down. Nobody using, but still we can teach the children. If anybody is good in round arm service, if anybody getting the speed in the round arm service, we can teach them. It is not necessary that we should ignore this service. No. If any children wants to do some roundhouse, we can teach them. And then jump and service. You all know the jump and service. Now the power is very much going on jump and service. No reception, the jump and service, they are playing only defense on reception. Only defense playing, so that it's not possible to give correct to the target. Very powerful it is coming. Next one, jump and floating. These two things, jump and service and jump and floating, is very important in modern volleyball. If you want to destroy the opponent reception, then you needed these two service should be implemented in your team. Or these jump and service and jump and floater, where we can keep them, how that we can train them. Yes, you can train after 16 years. When they come into the 17, 18, they will have a more power and more speed, more explosive jump will be there. And then especially the jumper service. You all know that nowadays in modern volleyball, 3.5 meter they are jumping and landing inside after service. So that so much of speed, so much of agility, so much of jumping power, and then speed of the ball, it comes very, 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 very heavy. So that when you are teaching this service, you should be a master. You should know that. The coaches should know that what kind of things I can teach. It is not possible that 12-year boy is doing very powerful jump and service. No, because I don't know. I have not seen anybody, but till we say that in 16, 17, 18 years, when you are reaching, and that is a Asian youth level, that Asian youth is under 19. When you are coming to under 19, then you had needed so many tactical service needed, like jump and service, jump and floater, or making a tactical service on the court. So these are all things coaches has to train them, and many, many types of service is there. Which type you want, which type you will get more point against the opponent which you are going to play. These are all analyzing. Because analyzing, you needed opponent analyzing, you are making, and you know that opponent team is like that. I needed this thing. मुझे चाहिए, मैं ये सर्विस करने से मेरे को पॉइंट मिलेगा, और I can destroy the opponent. Automatically, I will come through that. I can make it a very good service of mine. The fundamental and technical point. Coaches, this is a very simple point. Everybody knows this, but still I am remembering you because refreshing you. The posture before service and tossing a ball, the contact, feet position and direction, hands readiness and position to contact. The feet position should be on the correct feet position, and direction where you want to send the ball, and hands readiness and the position of contact. When you are ready for that, next comes movement. The serial movement of the upper and lower part of the body. That toss the ball, hit the ball and floating, and where you want to go forward. The trajectory, falling point of the direction, where you want to send the ball. I want to send the ball from zone 1, I am doing service. I want to send the ball to zone 1, other side of the court. Or I want to send the zone 5. The direction shows on my feet. My standing feet position, and then tossing the ball and hitting the ball. Then serial movement, lower part of the body, you can see the players, those who are doing when they are doing. Then tossing, how to hold the ball, how to toss the ball, height of the toss, movement, because why I am telling these things, Analo, how to hold the ball, because simply they say, somebody I have seen, one hand tossing and floating. Okay, that is experience. When you became a 15 years or 10-year experience on volleyball, you can toss one hand and float. Otherwise, we have to toss with the two hand and floating service. Like that, how much a toss you have to make? Is it possible that you can make more than 1 meter floating service? Not possible. It should be lesser than 50 centimeter. And as quick as you have the hand and touch the ball, you want to jump on service, toss little more high so that you can approach and like attack, you can go. Because these are all things, it is normal. But you should understand that when I am teaching, I should know what kind of things I am teaching to the children. Because, especially I want to tell something, coaches, because already I was telling you when the coaches protocol was there. All the coaches should know that your players, when they are 16 years, please feel that they are going to be the national player of India. And national, senior, national, junior, national, youth, national, they are being that national player. So according to that, you have a tournament. Yes, you have to win the local tournament. You have to win the inter-school championship. But your aim for the player should be very high. I want that your player should be in the national camp. Possible, because there is a plenty of way in the Sports Authority of India as well as Volleyball Federation of India, having many schemes. Many top level coaches are working in the age group level. You can see that one of the best coach is working in Gujarat. He was a senior team Indian chief coach of Indian senior team. He was working with the Gujarat Academy. Why? Because they developed the Indian national volleyball team. Everywhere, the coaches who retired, they are all working with the academy because they are not that simply for money. They are for their passion. It is a passion. The coaches should have more and more passion on this volleyball. Then only you can improve. It is not only the job. Okay, job. I worked in Sai for 25 years. That is the job. But still, I am interested only on volleyball. Other than that, I don't know anything. Requirement of making effective service. What are the requirements needed? Certainty and control. Always you should have control on service, because not that I 10 service and I am making one service. Okay, possible in training. In the matches, certainly you have to control yourself to be able to serve the ball and to control the service. Serving the ball into the court is the one art. It is art. It is not possible. The players are, sir, I want to hit the ball, sir, to get a point. Unfortunately, I'm missing, sir. Yes, possible, because of mental tension, because of the scoring system. You may have losing with 5 points. You want to get a point. You want to go all out in the service. That time possible missing. But easy time, when you are training, you should implement that they are able to serve the ball into the court. That is a very essential for you, all the coaches. Speed and variation. Let receiver not to contact the ball in front of his body. Yes, I am doing my speed of the service, either jump and floating or jump and service or normal service. But opponent receiver should not receive directly into his hand. He should move from his left side or his right side to get the service. Then only your service is effective. Power. Let the receiver not to control the ball. What mean by this? Jump and service. When you are making very powerful service, it is very difficult to control the reception. Very difficult to control the reception. That time what they do, they play defense. They never play reception. They play dig to keep the ball high in the court only. It is not possible it can reach the target. Target not possible, but still to receive. Reducing opponent offensive possibilities. Yes, if I want to reduce opponent possibilities, this is some tactical service needed. I am doing service in zone 4, whereas the blocker is receiving and coming for quick attack. Or I am making a service to the zone 5, where that outside hitter is standing there. And then the ace attacker is standing there, and then he is receiving. He cannot come for the combination of attack, destroying the offensive possibilities of opponent. This is also one point. These are all requirement, because theory. Please, coaches, listen. Theory is very easy to speak, to say, to everything possible, but implementation, it is very difficult. You coaches have to control yourself, implement in your team, then only possible. But coaches, don't think that 1 hour is only shouting Sridharan or shouting Matthew or shouting the Ajay Jangda and going. No. We are shouting. You are going to make that into the ground after the 3rd of May. When the lockdown is over, you are on the job. You are going to spend more times on practical, because theory things. Take the theory things in the brain. Keep inside. Prepare chart. Prepare the plan. Prepare the working plan. Prepare the daily plan. Implement these things and all. Keep that. Okay, I am going to do service now. Oh, Mr. Sridharan has spoken this. ये सब बात किया था श्रीधरन ने. ये correct होगा? Correct होगा. जब ही होगा जब आपने उसको implement करेगा. Mistakes आएगा तो again rectify करेगा. Again mistake आएगा, again rectify करेगा. Then you will make your play to the higher level. Because I also learned Shamsu sir, Buchiramaya sir, many people, top coaches were there in India. I learned with them because it is not that somebody is falling down from the heaven. No, all the coaches are learning like players are learning. Because I know when I was in Vizag in 1991 or some 95 something, I had a very good, the tallest team with me. I killed them on endurance, on agility. Many players, they know, oh, Sridharan sir, very difficult. Why? Because that time I was also learning. I was also learning. Many things I learned from Ramana sir and Sham sir. Many things I learned. Because it is not that only I was started coaching in 91. Today is 30 years gone. Why I am telling? As the day goes on, as your learning process goes on, you are learning many things. Finally, one day you will come to that position, you say, oh my God, so many things I forgot. Still I feel, oh, I forgot this thing, I forgot that thing. Because many things are in learning in volleyball. These are all some actions are there. You can see that. I'm going to give a PPT to you. This is a service where zone 1 and zone 6 always you are doing. Zone 5 also very effective now. If you are going service from zone 5 and doing service in zone 4, zone 3, zone 2 is a tactical. When you are going to the zone 6, 5 and 1, it is a speed and powerful. When you want to do this service, you have to tell the coaches, has to tell the player which kind of service you want. I show zone 1, you do zone 1. I show zone 5. I say short service. Like this, I make some hand signal. Make short service because that blocker is standing front side. He don't know how to receive and go for ball. These tactics and all very good into the learned service. The strategies are there. Knowledgeable, how to get knowledge and strategy. The lower level means when you are starting in the 16, 18 years, more effective service will be there because you have always winning complex 2. That is, when you are doing service, it will be very effective. But higher level, because they are also very good receivers are there. Now the receiving, one more jointing is there, libero. And 2 outside hitters, 1 libero. Minimum 3 people are there. 2 people are there. 1 making free. 1 outside hitter making free for attack. 2 people are there reception. I will come back to reception after that, after service, so that you are higher level. जितने भी आप ऊपर जाते रहेंगे, जब क्या होगा आपको, you will make more effective in complex 1. जब क्या होता है, आपका service effective कम होता है. Then you needed to develop on tactical service. What are all things? If therefore, what I can do? If I want to stop this, I want to get a point in higher level. Risk service to win a point. What is mean by risk service? All the service are risk in international competition. If I go very good service, making a very good service like jump and floater like Dipesh Sinha from Chhattisgarh, making a very good jump and floating, getting many points we are getting. Like jump and service by Jerome Vineet of Kerala, making in Indian team, making that very good. Like setter Ukra Pandian doing jump and floating. These are all things risk taking, because we have to take, all the 6 players cannot take risk. पूरा 6 player risk लेगा तो either point होगा, नहीं तो opponent में point होगा. The modern new system of rally system, you cannot make very much risk also. But some people, out of 6, 3 can go for very good risk and 3 can go for a service inside, but that also is not easy service. It can be difficulty for the opponent not taking reception. Service player, team trust the own block defense, because what I am telling, team trust the own block and defense. If I am having very good block in the front, like I am having Ukra Pandian again, and then I am having one tall attacker there, then I am telling to my player, don't go for very much risk. Only destroy the opponent reception. But control in the service. Put inside, because my system on blocking and defense is very good. So that this also, when you are serving player, you want to tell. block penetration of back penetration, block penetration of setter. Because setters are where is they're doing block or penetration opponent side. The setter is coming from zone 5 and then zone 1 opponent side. It don't have very good receiver. So I can go with the more and more receivers are there. More and more service is there. Destroy the rhythm of the team. Destroying rhythm of the team is also important for me. Destroying rhythm of the player. And then destroy the combination. I am destroying the opponent combination. And then mixing different type of service. Mixing how? One time I am doing jump and floater. Other time I am doing jump and speed service. Third time I am doing standing and floater. Possible some mixing different. This is what very good previous years and nowadays players are not interested in that. The player should know all the kind of service. He can do one time jump and floater and he can do one time jump and service also. Stress one player means a player is not giving opponent reception. Stress him, put him there only service so that you will get more and more point. Provoke, decide, attack situation, attacking, make the how attacking players a situation. What kind of situation they are playing? What kind of attacking going on? Who is the very good attacking? Whether to destroy him to get a point. Isolate him, make him separate, isolating one player from the reception or isolating one player, making always to service to him, making him giving 2, 3 minus point, automatically the coach has to substitute him to take him outside. So we will get benefit on that. Serve strategy and reception. Service without reception, name and hit the target. These are all training for the service. When I am doing service without reception, I tell the target. You make a target, but target, it's not mean target mean easy. It should be hard. It should be speed. It should be power. Service from different position. Doing zone 5, zone 1, zone 6, zone 5, you are doing backline. Not only standing in zone 1 doing. Everywhere you are doing. Service alternating forward and jump and power. That already I told you. Moderate service toward the reception player. Moderate. Sometimes 24 all. I don't want to miss the service. But I want to do moderate, effective service to the reception player, to the opponent player. Expecting power pair friendly, expecting float try, like that. Making make them, ask them to make mistake. Make them mistake because my service should be there. The opponent should make mistake. Service players are 5, 4, 3, 2 man reception. You have to see what kind of reception system they are playing. If they are playing 3, if they are playing 2, I can put tactical service front line. If they are playing 4, I can have to go for jump and powerful service on the zonal. And then you can make a competition, service versus reception and nomination of our similar liberos. So that seminar our liberos kit. So this was the service outline was there. Many things I had told, but if really you want to develop the service, you have plenty of things. You have plenty of drills on reception, the service, because I can start with the hitting on the wall. I can go through the target on the wall. Then I can apply the jump and service. I can apply jump and floater. Then I can, sometime I can try what? Sorry, round arm service, because these are all, the round arm service abolished. But still, if the coach wants, they can do it. Now I am switching over to the reception of service. One of the main part of India, what we needed, reception, because you all know we have heredity of killing the ball, attack, number 1 in Asia. Block, very good number in Asia. Where we are lacking? We are lacking. One is service, the second one is reception. Reception, we have many pattern and formation in reception. Service pattern defined by their configuration and by the numbers of players involved. 5% reception. This is the starting of the children. We teach them 5% reception. Means a W formation, one can cover in the front and the other can cover in the back and front, like the 5 position. Then 4% reception, like cup formation. This also we can teach from young, and to the higher level also four receivers are there when the jump and service, very powerful jump and service coming in the back line. Then 3 persons are there. When it is a floating, jump and floating is coming, 3 persons we are making. Formation, line formation we say, or V formation, whatever formation you want. Because these formations are, it is not that 100% you have to go only this formation. You can make, coaches, you have brain, plenty of brain. आप लोगों को जितना brain है, भी नहीं है. Utilize the brain, curiosity. एक स्केट लो, एक पैड लो, बनाते जाओ. क्या चाहिए, क्या फॉर्मेशन अच्छा लगता है, you can make it. The last one is 2-member reception. 2-person reception is now going on in international, like 3 members standing, 2 outside hitter and 1 libero. 2 people will be covering and 1 will go for relieving him for attack. This is some examples of service reception, and then you can see that M formation, W formation, how it is going on. Then you can see the line formation, you can see the V formation. It is same like U formation and V formation. U formation is 4, V formation also 3. So you can 3, 4 and all. The receiver must access incoming angle, decide where to pass the ball, then control that to the blink on of eye. The purely rebound sport, you cannot hold the ball. Everybody knows that. Volleyball is a game of constant motion. Yes. When I am receiving, I should see the angle, incoming angle. What ball is coming, from which zone he is doing, where I am standing, how I have to make my angle, how I have to send the ball to my target, where I have to send, and by the time it is finished. By blinking eyes, it is over. Purely, it is rebound sport. You all know volleyball. Already I told, it is a rebound sport. So you cannot hold the ball. You cannot keep the ball. I want to say something. I will tell in the last why the children are not liking volleyball. Why children are not liking volleyball? Because they cannot hold the ball. In basketball, they can hold the ball, they can dribble, they can go. In hockey, they can take the stick, they can keep the ball with them. In football, they can keep the ball with them. In volleyball, they cannot keep the ball with them. They have to pass the ball to others. This is really don't want that. Sir, you are not giving a ball to me. I am not giving to keep to me because I cannot throw the ball. So that only when basketball training is going on, I have seen hundreds of children are there. When my team children's volleyball going on, only 30, 20 children will come. But we had to make them. We had to make them that this is the sports is something great in India. Basic receiving formation, zonal responsibility. Every zone, zone 1, zone 6, zone 5, zone 4, zone 3, 2. Wherever zone you stand, possible zones responsibility. All the coaches knows that. Sometimes we say, hey, you cover the zone 5 man. I don't know. I want reception from zone 5. You are covering the zone. Responsibilities will be given to the player. All the coaches should know that. It cannot be that only 1 man or 2 man is good and the others are walking. No. Everybody should ready for the reception, including the blocker. If the tactical service come in zone 4, then or zone 3, automatically the center blocker can take the ball, soft taken, very softly he can take, and he can go for quick attack. So we have to teach them in zonal way also. And receiving, relation to the setter movement. The setter is moving from zone 5. And then we are giving, the ball has been given to zone 5 to zone 4 because he has to move. How much he can move? We can give in zone 3. So you have needed that relation because I have seen that many top teams in India, they were playing 5-1. Previously, they used to play 4-2. One team was there in Fact India, Fact in Kerala. They used to have played 2 setters inside. That was the best team which I have seen in my life, hitting power attack. Kuriakose, Ausaf, Bhuvan Das. These are our players, top class attacker. 2 setters used to play. One was Joy and another was, I think, Ormis. 2 players were playing. Both were coming. Both were inside. And then the receiver used to give them which setter you want. that also played for India, that also done by the Indians previously. Now 5-1 started. You should know that relation between the setter's movement, from where he is moving, for where I can give. These are all you have to teach the player. Push the ball into zone 2. The setter is moving from zone 5. I can keep them in zone 3. Relation to the receiving target. Which target I have to receive? In the target, some target, because I need into the ball should be target. That also possible. Relation to the server. Always seeing the server, where he is doing relation. Always watching my eyes to the server, from where he is doing, what kind of ball is going to come, what is the speed, how is the floating is going to come, where it's going to land. I had to prepare for the reception. Movement pattern. What kind of movement I want to make? Either forward and back, or sides I want to move, or cross step I want to move, or one step I have to move. Everything, the patterns you have to teach them. All the coaches, you know that you are teaching. When you are teaching agilities, automatically you teach the movement. When I am teaching agility, it's a movement. When I am teaching agility, I will teach all kind of movement. Not only the movement for attack, not only for blocking, for reception, for defense, for everything I will make a movement. Then overlap zone. Sometime I overlap the zone. The 5 zone will come 6 zone. The 6 zone will move forward because of the activity of the speed of the player. Some player, some leader like Indian Akaran or Kanakaraj are very faster than the 5 zone player who is a blocker. So that overlapping possible. To receiving possible, like overlapping. Court coverage. What the kind of court coverage you want to make? How to cover all this position, entire 9 meter into 9. How going to cover that? Difficulty areas to serve. There are many difficulty areas they cannot serve. In zone 4, from line, attack line to zone 4, inside, minimum 1 meter, 1.5 meter, they cannot serve. Everywhere on the line, 1.5 meter, is very difficult to serve. So we have to teach the player the difficulty zone he cannot serve, so that we can go and stand inside to receive it. This is the knee bending, how that you are going to posture, you are making your reception, slightly bend before, then cut the service trajectory, order to control the ball and direct the ball into the 3-2, wherever you want that I explained. Set the contact surface. The surface of your contact on reception should be flat and it should be sent to the target, and assure the complete balance of the body. Tightening your pelvis, your back should be tightened because you are making the ball, which ball is coming from other side, you are making to the target. If possible, give covered trajectory. Mean not that straight you are giving, you will give little covered, curved, little curved. So when the ball curve, automatically the setter will move faster under the ball. Carry on with the following action. After giving reception, carry on for next action. As you can see, if more technique than the creation, something problem and all technique, then you can go for next one. So this is some posters are the receiving. Now the Libro added for reception. It's a fantastic new method because it has seen that 10 years the Libro is there. Fantastic, because I always feel that if you say that you want to take some Libro, the Libro should be a good receiver. Very good receiver we need that, because we are going to lose on defense. We are going to get on defense very few points. We are going to make more and more and more points in complex one. That is because of reception. If my Libro is very good in reception, automatically I can win the set, I can win the point, I can win the match. So extra dimension, the backcourt defense, improving the reception of the teams, lengthening the rallies and giving vital role to the shorter player. Because why I have here written shorter player, because now we are telling about the taller players we want into the national team. Okay, what kind of taller thing? more than 2 meter, 205 for blocker, more than 198, 2 meter to the attacker, more than 195 to 198 to the universal, more than 193 to 197 for setter. Then what about this? Those who are lesser than little 190, those who are having 189, 188, 185, possible they can change to libero, because they can be a very good libero. I have seen one libero is more than 2 meter. In Serbia, more than 2 meter. In Poland, more than 2 meter. They are all going for something different, because they say the range is covering more for reception and defense. One of the best libero in Ukraine was a one-man reception, like one man, two-man reception they are doing, but always receiving by Ukraine libero. Only training. Coaches, everything in your hand. You can train how you want. If you want, because it is not that something greatness I am telling. I am always interested on training. I used to sit down for so many hours to teach them blocking, to teach them. Every coach is doing this. I have seen top class coaches. I have seen one of the best coach who has produced India into the best thing in the Junior World Championship is MH Kumara. I have seen him in training. Good, very hard worker, very good, very systematic. Why? Because the India needed many, many coaches. They have seen the many, many coaches in India, many top level coaches, training coaches and competition level coaches also we have seen. This action, you can see the reception. This is Naveen Raja Jacob, who was very good in the international level, giving the reception. Fantastic movement on reception. Because why I am showing this is only a demonstration shows to you, then you can make it, prepare your team. The common goals of 3-player reception, men's volleyball, powerful jump and service in reception, libero and both outside hitters. That already I told you. Then that characteristic of rotation order, we all characteristic rotation order, the setter, before setter, outside hitter, then to middle blocker, then to ace attacker or diagonal player, then we have outside hitter one more, then the middle blocker, then the back middle blocker will be changed by the libero. This was our rotational. Okay, outside hitters always having 2 times in the left side, left of the court, and 1 time in the right side of the, when you stand on this one, on the outside hitter, 2 times you cover the left side, and 1 time you cover in the right side. This is the position what you cover, individual in reception. The home position, every reception player depends on his own position. Home position, he stands from there. You move is coming. Specialization of hideout 1 player, yes, because this is possible. When it comes 3-player reception, finally after seeing the ball, hiding 1 player, okay, you move for attack, free attack, we are there. Or we are keeping that diagonal player, 4-player reception, but diagonal player only support, and we are hiding him to go for free attack. So like that, many, many things are there. This is the aim of the net player, those who are standing in the net, how the often it releases that reception before ball contact, service player, or in case of an easy ball. If it is easy ball, they had to cover. I already told this thing to you. And then in reception, we have to see what kind of service is coming. What kind of service is coming? Powerful or spin service? Float or very shoot float? Normal float or speedy float? Or focus, release the ball, body movement and arm swing. I have to focus after release the ball. I have to see my body movement, where it goes, and my arm swing. And see and move. See, the ball is coming. Opponent court, maybe from 10 meter or maybe from 12 meter, maybe sometime 15 meter. The floating is coming to me, or making very faster jump on service with the 7 meter. It is coming speed. I have to see and move. Read the ball. Always read the ball, where it is coming. What kind of ball is coming? Very spinning, powerful, or very floating speed? We have to see. Adjust your body. Always move. Move, adjust your body to give the pass to the target. Prepare reflection area. Prepare your reflection area, because where the ball should go, where the ball you want, where the coach set to the target, where the setter is moving. Stabilize your trunk. Your trunk should be stabilized with the body weight on the front foot. Always keep front foot body weight so that you can move forward. The angle of the ball will go to the target and it will reach to the setter, and it will be the timing of reception. Starting position with relaxed angles of all joints. You cannot be very tense before the reception. Dude, before that service goes, after whistle, when the toss, then only you start. After you relax on starting position and make your angles ready. Forearm outside the body, always standing, forearm standing outside the body. Versus power service, low and small double feet jump. Whenever that powerful jump service is coming, you just stand a little jump and give the ball. Observe the power, observe the speed in the underhand, in digging. And you all know on the place or back crossing to shift body outside, work out. That already I told you. Arms and hand swing depend to the desired space. Because where you want arms and hand swing, where I can independent to the desired space. Yes, where I can give that space. I had needed that. Reflecting area of the hand during the movement directed to the ground. Reflected area. My hands are there. My reflecting area. The ball should go to the target. Outside shoulder, little finger, the little finger side is right. The outside shoulder. I am standing here. My target is there. My hands are little up. My shoulder is little up. If the thumbs are touched together, in order to better press, my thumbs are touching together for giving reception and giving hand. My palms are open. My flat palms are there, giving good reception. This is some area of coaching reception. How that you will give it is already, it is there with all the coaches we are here. Those who are in FIUB, or those who are in NAS, or those who are studying in PETs, university, everybody knows that how you will develop slowly from underhand pass to how that you will come to that higher level. This was the position. Mr. Prabhakaran of Indian team, he was in Indian Railways. He was also a very good receiver. He is along with the Naveen Raja Jacob and other people were there. Very good receivers are there. Good going receiving. If the receiving is good, the team will be good. Next, I am coming to the set. It is my own skill because I was a setter. The set is very, very, very important. Without setter, the team cannot win even a point, even a set, even a match. Because every coach wants to develop first setter. That was India now lacking. We needed a more setter. We used to have, when I was in 1978 Asian Games camp, I have seen 10 setters in the Indian camp. 10 setters out of 48 people were there in the first camp. Buchiramaya sir was the coach and Shamsundar sir was the assistant coach with the Indian team. I have seen 10 setters were in the camp. But today, I am not seeing 10 setters in India. Very, very difficult. We needed to develop the Indian volleyball to the international level. We needed a good setter because we needed this year. You all know that under 19 Asian Championship is there, under 21 Asian Championship in boys, under 18 and 20 in the girls Asian Championship we have in the month of September, October. They are postponed from June to September, October because of Corona. But still they see that we needed a setter. Setter is very important. Previously, when you say that some years back, that was some 20 years back or 30 years back, they used to call booster. Booster means what? You give the ball and boost. Come on, hit, boosting. The second one comes a lifter. The man who makes a lift the ball to the attacker where he wants. Then it comes to the setter. The setter was going on. But now a new rule, a new name is a playmaker. He is a main man. He is a main man playmaker. To make the team into success with the coach, he is the inside the coach and he is the model, he is everything. He is the captain, he is everything. Why? Because The setter is very, very, very important in the modern volleyball. The set is an overhead pass used to change the direction of the dig and put the ball into a good position to the spiker. Every spiker wants without block. If you are a good setter, if you give free ball, they say, wow, what a kind of my setter. He has given free ball to me. If you give block there, then he will say, भाई साहब थोड़ा अच्छा दीजिए मेरे को कभी-कभी block आता है. So if you are giving good passes, you need a, what mean by setter? One who elevate the play, those around him and her. Elevate, making the play game into the higher level. An attacker wants to go higher level. He need a good setter. A blocker wants to go a good high level to in quick attack, and he needed a best setter. He wants to go good blocking. He need a good blocking setter, and he is a leader. Always, he is a leader. The setter is a leader. If you happen to see setter always walking, Sina Tanke, because he knows that he is a leader of the team. One who can do anything with a ball, anything, everything with a ball. If he want to win, he can win. As we had too many top setters in India, from Desiraj sir was one of the best setters from Himachal Pradesh, and then Hem Singh. I have seen Baldev Singh. Even Sham sir was played sometime setter. And then very, very big setters we have seen. Riaz Ahmed, who is settled now USA, one of the top setter in India. I've seen R.K. Prohit, Lalji, and we have seen Kapil Dev, Ukrapandian, and then many. Ravikant Reddy, one of the top setter. He played many years for India. Venkat Narayan, very shorter, very good setter. Because leader, he makes himself a good setting coming up. Very good. Binu Joseph played very good in the Asian Championship in Australia. So many players were there. Anil from Kerala. Gopinath. Yes, Gopinath. He was an IG and retired in police. He was a very good setter. Played in 1974 Asian Games. Sakti Sagar. Jagir Singh. And including me. I am also one setter, small setter in India. And one who makes the right choice at the right time. He is the man. He has to take charge. He has to make a right choice. He has to make a good choice. He has to make a best choice. He has to take advantage of all the things to make in the right time to get a point. Because getting a point, it is not very easy. Getting a point in the modern volleyball, in international level, very difficult. So he has to choose. He has to make a choice at the right time. And he is a discipline. Always we say, if my setters are disciplined, my team is disciplined. If my setters are leader, my team will be perfect. Why? Because he is a 50% of the coach inside the ground. He is the coach. He is the player inside the ground. He is the man, setter man, creative. Always new thing, creation. Okay, coach is telling, I am having these things I want. Okay, then afterwards, I am making many things my own, preparing my own, creative, my creation from my brain. And then I am making so many plans. I am showing to the coach, coach sir, this is maybe a good for our team. Please go through that. Then you tell us whether we can do or not. Because the decision is the coach, but the creation possible from the coach. I have seen many creation things I have seen with the Kapil Dev. Many creation. He used to create many things and he used to tell, coach sir, like this, okay. Like Ravikant Reddy, many creation, many things, bringing to the coach, telling that, sir, this we can play, this we can play. That's possible. These are all creators. And awareness. Always you should have awareness of good things. In the awareness, what is going on, how we can play. In this awareness, I can see the very good example I can do. The awareness seeing is Mr. P. Sundaram of Indian Overseas Bank. He was the man who played in the Indian team for the Asian Championship and all. He is very much aware what is going on. He always says, what is going on, opponents are. I should understand I can play. Yes, awareness. What is going on in your team? What is going on, opponent team? Having many things needed for the coach, the setter. Constant. He should be a constant. Yes, I am good. Competitiveness. I need it. I am a fighting spirit. I can do it. We can do it. We are going to win the match. Like that setter. Fighters. And the floor coach. I already told. He is the coach of the floor. Whatever the coach wants, the implementation in the court is the coach. Volleyball student and a player. For the coaches, he may be a student. He may be a player. For others, he is the man who is creating everything. Effective communicator. Yes, he needs communicate because no, I think for setters. All others, they play, they do their job and go. The setter is not doing job. He had to take all others' job doing, and his communication should be good. His communication should be best for the coaches, from the coaches to the players. And leadership is about timing. Coaches, always, that's what I was telling in the morning. Coaches, please listen. When you are coming to the online coaches course, please come at 10:15. Don't come at 10:30. Don't come and open that 10:30. Come at 10-15 minutes before. Timing. It comes where it comes. You all know that. I am a setter. I come at 10 o'clock online, 10:30 program. It's not that I am giving lecture today. Otherwise, also I come at 10 o'clock because I am interested. I am maintaining my timing. I am a setter. I always want to be a disciplined man. I always want to be a perfect on that. Whatever I say, I should say perfectly. Tugging the right string. Always I should know as a setter what kind of things I am going to make it. Correct things I am going to make. Communication. Again and again telling. Communication. Thoughtful decision. Mind. Always the plus point is that if I am having setter who knows volleyball very well and who is giving many things to us and acting decisively. He has to act decisively and sometimes lonely. Why lonely? Because the other all attacker, blocker, everybody tired with the physical. The setter is more tired with the mental also. Sometimes he needs lonely. He should sit lonely and think that what has gone wrong, what has gone right, what my coach said, what we have done this, what we have done in training, why we are not done in the competition. Many needed bluff also. It is not possible every time truth. Every time truth not possible. Somewhere, some places they have to bluff. In that, the setters are master. The tactical center of volleyball. The setter must be good enough to keep big blockers from dominating the net. Yeah, always keeping the big blockers dominating the net, and he should understand that setter must feed his or her best hitters while also looking the opponent blocking weakness. Yes, I want to feed my best attacker who is getting point more and more, many points he got. But still, I have to see that opponent blocking and weakness also. Which plays, who is playing, who is the center blockers are there. Either center blockers slow or fast, or the wing blockers are height is less or more. Everything I have to see. Sab kuch dekhna hai. Setter has to see everything because he is having the all attackers and all blockers having straight eyes. The setter will have periphery look. Always you look what is going on in opponent court, what is going on in my court backline. By receiver, why? I don't want to see turning. I can see from here what is going on. Who is going to give a block? Who is the blocker good? Who is the attacker is good from my. This is the position. You can see some photographs. Jump into ball with the straight back, keeping hands high and try to make contact on the way up. When rising into the air, face the direction of the target. When in the air, with the shoulder, and position should be the same for the front and back, because my body should be straight. Always need the jump and fall if we on to the target. When I have to make the contact of the ball over the head and giving to the face the direction of the ball and giving to the target is going on. Contact the ball as high as possible because I am a very good jumper. I am a good explosive, good height, and very good on the setting, and I should reach the higher as much as possible, and speed of the set. Increase the speed of the set, always giving in zone 4 or zone 2 or backline, wherever I want to give. The speed should be there. I should make a speed from my hand. मेरे हाथ से जो बॉल निकलता है इसका स्पीड चाहिए. It's not possible very slow. Legs bend back naturally to create balance, stability into the air, and straighten for landing upon contact, the body almost straight. When you are going up, little back pass, giving little bend and give back pass, and see that your landing should be correct and your body position should be. The primary responsibilities are outstanding technical skill of overhead passing, because whatever it is, because you say that many good blockers were there in a setter. The setter were good defense player like Manoharan, Chitra Pandian, R.K. Purohit. They are all very good defenders, very good setters, very good blocker. But sometimes we needed a very good on, sometime happen, very good thing, because all the setters cannot be a very good blocker. All the setter cannot be a very good defender. But sometimes the set is very good, that we count always. The setter means the set should be countable. Other thing, okay, we are very good. We are doing, because all others, all the sets in India, they have proved themselves into the good one. I want to say here one setter was there, Ram Mohan Rao in Southern Railway. I was very young. I have seen him in 1970s. I have seen him, a beautiful diving, skidding, taking the ball in defense. I have seen Manoharan, Chitra Pandian making very powerful attack. They made open ball defended by Chitra Pandian. And then I have seen many players are playing very good defense, very good setup, very good thing. India has produced near about 60 to 70 good setters into the national level team. I have the list of the setters who has done a top class performance, because the Punjab has won 17 years. Two people were there. One, Nirbhajeet Singh, Nippy, and another one, Balwant Singh Ballu. And the setters were top class. One was Sakti Sagar, second was Jagir Singh. The two setters, they won the national 17 years, because the setter, even though in 1978 I joined first time, the Balwant Singh was very much interested. When the Jagir Singh is giving set, he used to blast the ball. I learned many things, because I don't know how to give high ball. I learned many things from him. I learned many things from Dalil Singh, one of the best setter, and he got that Arjuna Award, and he is the man who got the bronze medal in Asian Games in 1986. Dalil Singh of Haryana. What a player. What a tremendous setter, because you can see that he is having excellent knowledge. He should have excellent knowledge, wide range, excellent knowledge, ability to make the right choice in every situation. The setter should have very good knowledge to make a right choice. Making right choice is very much essential. Effective in communication with all, happy. But not possible, especially in one Draupadi and Pancha Pandavas. All the Pancha Pandavas are there. One Draupadi is the setter. Always setter used to satisfy and sacrifice these Pancha Pandavas, those who are attackers, those who are very powerful attackers. You have to give the ball to them. You have to satisfy them, and you have to bring them to communicate them. Teammates, all the teammates should be communicated well, setting accurately the station each of play. Each and every play, you should make that thing should go correct. You should make that the tempo is going on. The location where I want to play, leading the hitter, maximize that strength. I know if I am having Abdul Razak in zone, if I am Uday Kumar in 3 zone, I give Uday Kumar very fast hand. If I am having Cyril Sivallur in zone 4, he is a very good receiver and attacker. If I am having PV Ramana, who is the PV Sindhu's father, one of the best, fastest counter-attacker along with the receiver. We have a Sandeep Sharma. We have a Kirtish Kumar Trivedi. We have Sukhpal Singh. one of the powerful attack in zone 2, Chukpal Singh, Barar, one of the best attacker I have seen in my life, Chukpal Singh, who brought the many dollars for the Indian team. Like this is there, setter, blockers are there, attacker is there. Setter is easy. Wherever you want, you can give. I have seen the physical fitness of many players in this. Many setters I have seen. Very good physical fitness they had. Keeping the focus and toss the hand. Using them, best situation. I have to use them, the best situation which I want to get a point. Because why I am telling, I have played volleyball from 1964 up to 90 I was playing. From 90 I was a coach. Because I became a coach only because of Shyam Sundar Rao. When I am traveling to Egypt and coming back, we were sitting in Dubai. Shams are telling, it is enough for you, Sridhar. You go for coaching. I earn coaching. I don't know. I may not be a very big coach and very good and all. But I know one thing. I am always says that the coach wants, he can build the team. A coach you want, he can build the player. He can build the setter. He can build the attacker. And service reception. I have many things here. I'm sorry because we don't have a time. I've already got 5 minutes more. The defense is there. Blocking is there. Then we have these all things you have. I don't have time now. So that thanks to you, coaches, because coaches see that here. I want to say only one thing. Either service or reception or set or block or defense or team or want to win, everything depend upon your work, your knowledge. What do you want to say? What do you want to give? How that you are going to make? Because you should know that our things also. What India has done. Everybody says India is not winning a medal. They will win a medal because it is possible. Only thing we needed some more thing. We are making training. We need more exposure. We need more international exposure. Always the Volleyball Federation of India is fighting with the government. Please send us to the international competition so that only we can analyze, we can build a player, we can make a team, we can win the medal. Please, coaches, thank you very much for listening my topic. I have not covered much. It was little one because covering, I need 3 days to cover 3 skill. But one thing, coaches, if you want, you can build up. If you want, you can make it. If you want, you can win. All the way, I'm telling that coaches should be well disciplined. Always, I'm telling, coaches should be well knowledge. Always keeping in the brain what I am going to do. Whether it may come wrong or right. Don't worry. Everything cannot be right. Make it wrong. Make again. Train them. Bring them. Thank you very much, coaches. If any question is there, please, Ankush.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Any question is there, you can ask me, I can reply.
Okay, sir.
I think time is over now. Already. Anybody having questions? Sir, if possible, can we get some of training sessions in good coaches have become period? What is that? What do you want?
One question came, sir, General. Yeah. Sir, please explain complex 1 and complex 2.
Complex 1, what yesterday was a theory training was explaining. Complex 1 means service, reception, set, attack. That is complex 1. Complex 2 is block, and even service is complex 2. Service, block, and reception. Defense. And again set, counter attack. This is complex 2. If it is continuing again, that is complex 3. That's all. It's very easy. When I am receiving, it is complex 1. If I am blocking, complex 2.
Another question, sir. In international volleyball, the serving speed is around 130 to 134 km per hour. What is the range of Indian volleyball players? And what
I think it is near about 100. Near about 100. 100, 110. Sometime Jerome goes 100, 110. We have seen sometime in Qatar, when we are playing a match in Qatar, Jerome was extraordinary, and he has shown the ball was 100, 110 something. Possible from India, but needed more strength. Thank you. Any question? Because covering 3 skill in 1 hour means you are 50% of volleyball is covered by 1 hour.
Sridhar sir, Rakesh here.
Yeah.
இது மீட்டிங் நடக்கும்போது கிளாஸஸ் நடக்கும்போது எல்லா கோச்சு கிட்ட ரொம்ப டிசிப்ளின் இருக்குன்னு சொல்ல சார், கொஞ்சம் அன்வல்கரா பார்த்துட்டு இருந்தா, அதனால கேட்டேன்.
அப்படியா? இப்ப ஆல்ல இருக்கா? ஆல்ல இருக்காங்களா? இப்போ எல்லாரும் இருக்காரு.
எல்லாரும் இருக்கு சார்.
Dear coaches, thank you very much for listening. I got information from the higher level, that DG level. All the coaches should sit properly and good dress, and I always say that our coaches are well disciplined, well dressed and all. Don't make sometime sleeping or some without dress sitting, or don't make fun and all. This is not a fun for coaches court. This is a coaches court who are struggling very hard, because I cannot meet you all the 400 coaches in India. This has been done by the Sports Authority of India, Volleyball Federation of India. We should respect them. We should respect the Director General of Sports Authority of India and Secretary General of Volleyball Federation of India. We should be a very good model person. People should say that, oh, what volleyball coaches? They are well disciplined. My coaches, my request only one thing from tomorrow. Please come and sit before the online at 10:15. 10:15, I should see that attendance should be 350 people, not that 35 people. I have seen today 10:25, only 39 people. I was sitting 10 o'clock. I am aged man, maybe 66 years old. You are all very young. You are all on time. I was always before time. My life is always before time, because I happen to go through with Ramana Rao and Shyam Sundar Rao and Buchi Ramaya and then Kurup sir. These are all coaches. 20 minutes before, if you are not coming, they don't allow you to be in the court. So that I learned like that. Please, coaches, if you are perfect, then entire your team will be perfect. Entire Indian volleyball will be perfect. We have to say thanks to Director General, Sports Authority of India, and as well as many regional director, executive director, senior director are working behind us to develop this knowledge for you through us. And we are also, whatever we know, we are telling you. Whatever that not possible, that entire things I can bring you. Whatever possible, we are telling you. And you have to learn, you have to make curiosity, make development thing. I want tomorrow onward, the people should not tell to me regarding volleyball coaches anything. They should say only one thing. Oh, your coaches are very good. Thank you very much. Yes, Ankush.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Ankush, anything?
One question is coming again and again, sir. Sir, speak about Jaipal and Kamraj, one of the best setters played.
Yeah. Jaipal and Kamraj, we have to speak, because I cannot speak all the Kamraj. I have to speak. I brought in Kamraj. He was one of the best setter in Asia. He was one of the best setter in World Championship. And then we missed one of the best all-rounder, Sanjay Kumar Pogat also. Otherwise, he was also one of the best universal in World Championship. Sorry for that, I didn't say Kamraj. And Jaipal was one of the good setter. He was brought into the Indian team. And Chandramohan was also a good setter. And then we have Tulsi Reddy was the good setter. We have Shankar Ganesh was the good setter. Many setters we have produced. Many setters we have seen in the India. And then you say Chandrasekhar Gaur was the good setter from AP. And these all setters. And Sheikh Sir was the very good setter. Sheikh Sir was there. Prabhakaran was the IAA Prabhakaran. He was a very good setter. And then many setters we have seen. Many. All the setters, then I have to give the list to you. Because whatever I know, whatever I played, I have told you many. Sorry for that, which setters are left out. I have seen from 1990, and before that also I have seen one. Sulkhan Afzal was a very good setter. And then we have seen many setters are playing. Many best setters are playing in India. Whatever possible, I brought to you. I'm sorry that I didn't say Kamaraj and Jaipal because I forgot. Kamaraj also one of the best setter in India we ever produced. And he brought that very much laurels for India. I got a Dronacharya award because of the Indian team won the silver medal in the World Championship. Thank you for the team. Yeah.
Yes, sir. I think now we have to, that badminton session also will start with the same ID. So thank you.
Thank you very much, coaches. See you. Bye. Good day.